Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off Facebook Messenger sounds. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Facebook, just click on the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do you just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, once you are here, turning off Facebook Messenger sounds can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, the continuous notification sounds can induce stress and anxiety, particularly if you feel pressured to respond immediately to every message. Now, obviously, turning off the sounds can help alleviate this pressure and create a calmer digital environment. Now, the constant pinging of message notifications can interrupt your focus and productivity, especially if you are working on important tasks or trying to concentrate. Now, if you are in a public place or a shared environment such as an office or classroom, having notification sounds can inadvertently expose your private conversation to others. So, turning off these sounds helps maintain your privacy. Now, it's easier to turn off the sounds of a Facebook Messenger using your mobile device. Now, if you are using the online, all I have to do is hover down to the profile icon here in the upper right corner and click on notifications. Now, once you are here in the settings and privacy section, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on notifications. And from here, obviously, what we need to do is go to the notification sounds and turn it off. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.